Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
So, as we were discussing, increasingly we are seeing blending of physical and virtual activities, person to person in the real world and person to person in the electronic world, communication streams getting merged and blended. Even electronic media today are able to provide the satisfaction of person to person communication by using artificial intelligent robotic elements, as we call them, bots. So, they emulate human interaction and can provide intelligent question answer sessions. Communication and feedback are becoming more and more powerful in this kind of blended media. So, internet and web communication in business to business marketing will mainly perform two primary functions to enhance the brands. One, it will help in product sales and channel functions that we discussed just a little while back with examples. We were talking about JCB and I requested you to look at the website of JCB, and you will see that how the web is being used for facilitating product sales and is performing as an intermediary channel. It can also be used for one-to-one communication or one-to-many communication with customers and channel members. So, B2B websites can help the buying center members. That means, if you are JCB and there is a steel plant which is looking for construction machinery, or you are a municipality which is looking for road building machinery, then the JCB B2B website can help the different members of the decision making unit on the buyer side to do the following: recognize and understand the problems. That means, you are helping your website, JCB website is helping to clarify the need that has been recognized, give proper technical commercial dimensions to that felt need. The website can collect and compare information about alternative solutions and costs. This function will not be performed by an organizational website, but there are many comparator websites which are available, which are like consultant websites, which will provide this comparative information. So, many marketplace platforms are there today, which we will discuss in lot more detail in the coming session. Those e-marketplaces will collect and compare information about alternative solutions and costs. So, that is another kind of B2B website and another kind of function performed. there actually a lot of information about alternative suppliers, partners will be collected and presented. So, these e-marketplaces which we will be taking up in the next session perform all those functions, and organizational websites like the JCB website will provide access to training manuals, user manuals, troubleshooting guides, various kinds of installation instructions, testing, use instructions will be available in detail. So, this actually in many ways makes the whole process very user friendly, because you will be having the information, so to say, almost at your fingertips. At the command of a click, you can get exactly what you are looking for. There are many websites which are now intelligent websites, have very powerful search and query response systems, where these troubleshooting guides or installation instructions, testing, use instructions are provided very, very efficiently and effectively. And to attract the visitors to this kind of website, not only banner advertising on general purpose sites where click through brings the customer to your website, to the B2B website, those processes were kind of a little earlier processes, those have declined, but now more and more customers are brought to B2B websites like the JCB website we were mentioning through search engines, and these search engines will be using different kind of advanced algorithms to help ranking of the information that you want to communicate. So, whenever the customer puts in the search engine, say earth moving machinery, then you can bid for higher ranking and pay for that, where the name of your organization, your products will come up on top. The websites can also be designed intelligently with proper use of keywords and various kinds of tags, so that the search engine activities will lead the customer preferentially to your website. So, many keywords are purchased on the search engine ranking, so that your ad gets displayed when a keyword is searched. So, these are various methods that are used as a kind of promotion activity which we are discussing. So, therefore, this whole domain of marketing communication, increasingly called integrated marketing communication or IMC, because of these blending and integration activities of physical communication with electronic virtual communication and intelligent electronic communication by way of using this search engines, keywords, page ranking, etc. Other types of e-applications in B2B communication are like opt-in email, that is, it is not a mass email, but it is an email which will be pulled by the buyer. Then there are of course more spray and pray type of activities electronically, like the newsletters. There are advertising within the newsletters. So, the newsletters will be giving industry news about performance news of machines, promoted by that particular website, but within those news elements there will be advertising and advertorials embedded. And then there are of course online seminars or webinars. Those are also becoming quite powerful because they provide a good blend of knowledge transfer along with brand building. So, webinars are effective tools today and quite widely used in B2B communication, and whole effectiveness and efficiency of the internet communication will be continuing to develop over the coming years as we see more and more use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thank you.